Dear students, now we are going to discuss about binary arithmetic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division and solve some problems. Binary addition can be performed by using the following rules. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 0. Where here the 0 represents some value and 1 represents the carry value. So we are going to perform binary addition using these 4 rules. Let's solve some problems. The first problem is 100,101 plus 100,101. So here we are going to perform binary addition. 1 plus 1 is equal to what? 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 0. So here we can have 1 0. So here 0 is the sum value we can write and the carry can be added to the next one. So here 1 plus 0 is 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So next one 1 plus 1 again 1 0. So we can write 0 here and carry can be added to the previous bit. So 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Next 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 0. So this is the answer for the given sum. The second problem is we are going to add two binary numbers 1011.01 plus 1001.11. So here we are going to add 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 0. Here 0 is the sum, 1 is the carry. So we are going to write down the sum value here and carry in the previous value. 1 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to again 1 0. So we can write 0 here and move this carry to the previous one. 1 plus 1 plus 1. So here we are going to add 1 plus 1 that is equal to 1 0. Correct. So now we are going to add one more plus with this 1 plus 1. Okay. So 1 0 plus 1 is equal to what? 1 1. So you have to remember 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 0. If it is 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 1. Okay, this is also the very important part. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 1 where this one is the sum, this one is the carry. So we can write 1. Keep the remainder over here. So 1 plus 1 plus 0. So here 1 plus 1 is equal to what? 1 0. So we have to write down 0 here and move 1 to the previous bit. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So then 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 0. This is the answer for this problem. Binary subtraction can be performed by using the following 4 rules. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 0 minus 1. Here we have to assume there is a borrow value 1. So the 0 minus 1 we can write 1 0 minus 1. Here the difference is 1 and borrow is 1. If I want to subtract 1 from 0. Okay, in that case I have to assume there is a borrow value 1 along with 0. So 1 0 minus 1 is 1. So 1 is the difference value and the borrow is also 1. Let's solve some problems to understand the concept clearly. The first problem is to subtract 100 from 1001. So here we are writing 1001 and then 100. 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 1. So here we are going to borrow 1 from the previous bit. So it becomes 1 0. So 1 0 minus 1 is nothing but 1. And here, so 10 minus 1 is 1. So this is the answer. 1001 minus 100 is equal to what now? 101. The next problem is 110.01 minus 100.1. So in this one we have to write down 110.01, 100.1. Here we can assume there is a 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1. Here 0 minus 1. So we need to borrow the value from the previous bit. Here it is 0. So we are going to borrow the value from this one. So it becomes 0. This bit becomes 1 0. So we want to get the borrow from this 1 0 to this 0. So here this 1 0 becomes 1 now to give one value to the next bit. So now this value is 1 0. 1 0 minus 1 is 1 decimal point. Here we are having 1 minus 0 is 1. This term is 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Finally, we can get the answer as 1.11. Okay. The next problem is 11.0111 minus 10.01001. So now we are going to subtract the values. 1 minus 1 becomes 0. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 0. Decimal point. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is the answer for this problem. The multiplication of binary numbers is similar to that of decimal multiplication. There are 4 rules to be followed here. Simply we can remember anything multiplied with 0 is 0. The same thing. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 0, 0. Whenever we are having both the values are equal to 1, then only we can get the answer 1. So this is very, very important. Let's solve some problems. We are going to multiply 1 0 with 1 1. So 1 0, 1 1. Here we are going to multiply 1 0 is 0, 1 1 is 1. 1 0 is 0. 1 1 is 1. So after that we are going to add these two values. So it becomes 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 as such. So this is the answer. It is simply similar to that of our normal multiplication. The next problem is to multiply 1.01 and 10.1. In case of fractional multiplication, we have to take the multiplication for the whole binary number without decimal point. After getting the final answer, we are going to make the decimal point. So here we are going to multiply 101 with 101 as such without decimal point. So 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. So 0 with multiply with any number is 0 0. So 1 again here, 1 0 1. So in that we have to add all those values. So here it is 1 0. 1 plus 0 plus 1 is 1 0. So here 0 1. Then 1 plus 0 is 1. And then final answer 11001. After getting this value, we have to make the decimal point, which is the sum of these two fractional parts. Here the fractional parts are 1, 2, here it is 3. So we have to make a decimal point after 3 bits. So The final answer for the product of 1.01 and 10.1 is equal to 11.001. So the next problem is multiply these two binary numbers. So here we have to multiply 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Then all the values are 0. Right? And then third value is also 0. Here it is 1. So we have to multiply each digits. 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. And finally we have to add all those values. Here it is multiplication. So here we can get 1, 0 plus 0, 0. Here it is 1, 1, 0. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. So here 0, 1. So here answer is 1, 0, 1, 0. This is the final answer. The division of binary numbers is similar to that of normal division. There are 4 rules. 0 divided by 1 is equal to 0. 1 divided by 0 is equal to infinite. But in case of binary, there is no meaning for getting the infinite value. So we are not going to use this rule. 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. 0 divided by 0 is equal to nothing. So there is no meaning. So we are going to use these rules in binary division method. So now we are going to solve some problems in division. We are going to divide 11001 by 101. So here we are going to use long division method. Now we are going to divide this value by 101. We are having 1 time. Then 1 into 101 is equal to 101. Then we have to subtract this value from this. 0 minus 1 we cannot. So we have to borrow the value. So it becomes 0. Here it becomes 1 0. So 1 0 minus 1 is 1. Here it is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0 again. So next we have to take the other value. So next value is 0. So here we are having 1 0. Here it is 101. It is not divisible. That means we have to include 0 here. And then take the another value. So it becomes 101. So now we can multiply by 1 with this number. So 1 into 101 we can get 101. So now if we are going to subtract, we can get 0 as the answer. Okay, so the final answer is, the quotient is what? 101. We can write 11001 is divided by 101. Then we can get the answer as 101. If you want to cross check this value, we can do the decimal division. How do we do that value? Means here its weight is, we can start from here, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. So here it is 2 power 0 is 1. Its weight is 1. Its weight is 2. Here it is 4, 8, 16. So what is the number? 16 plus 8 plus 1. That is 25. Here it is 1, 2, 4. So 2 position, that value is 0. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 25 divided by 5 is equal to what? 5. So we can get the answer as 5 here.